All right, here's a prime example of why you have to take care of your misfires on your vehicle. We have a 2018 Tahoe that we just replaced the catalytic converters on because they were bad. The reason why they went bad is the vehicle misfired for so long that it was not burning the fuel that was going into the cylinder, and the fuel was dumping directly into the catalytic converter and burned up the catalytic converter on bank 2 of the engine. So let me show you these cats, what they're supposed to look like, and then what happens when they burn up. All right, so here we go. This here is both catalytic converters. Here's what a catalytic converter is supposed to look like. You can see right here, this one is looking pretty good. The honeycomb, basically that's what we call it. Everything is right intact. Let's go over to this one. Do you see the honeycomb? Basically, the entire inside of this, get a better angle for you. This entire inside of this catalytic converter is missing. Now where did it go? This here is what's left of the honeycomb of the catalytic converter. So basically, we dumped a bunch of raw fuel in the cat overheats, and it basically falls apart. So you have to get your misfires taken care of before you cost yourself more money. So this here is what happened.